You just feel lost, like you're walking without direction. And maybe you quietly ask yourself, why does this keep happening to me? And is there even a way out? Why it happens? This happens because your heart is overwhelmed, full of noise, but starving for clarity, starving for peace, starving for time. You have been carrying too much for too long. But there is a solution for this. Sit alone for 5 quiet minutes. Ask yourself softly, what is one tiny thing I can fix today? Not the whole life, just today. New direction begins with one gentle step.